Good morning students. Welcome back to the second session of the concept articles. In our previous class, we have learnt about one of the grammar aspects, that is articles. There are two kinds of articles, a, an and the. These three articles are categorized into definite articles and indefinite article. So definite article is the and indefinite article is a and an. We learnt about these articles usages with an example. So in today's session, let us see how to use these articles by solving some of the exercises from articulation and a previous question paper. So I have set of questions written on the board. So let us try to solve those questions. Okay. So this is fill in the blanks with appropriate article, that is a, an or the. Okay, using these three articles we have to fill in the blanks. First one, he is dash youngest son in the family. So over here, what do you think will fit in this blank? That is the. He is the youngest son in the family. That is because youngest is a superlative degree. So that is the third degree of comparison. So we have already learnt in our previous session that the is used in front of a superlative degree. Since this is a superlative degree, youngest, we have to place the in the blank, like tallest, strongest, weakest, shortest, youngest. In front of these superlative degrees, we have to use the. We'll move on to the next question. Anu is looking for dash job. Over here, Anu is looking for a job. She is looking for one job. Okay, a job. And also, as we all know, we use a before consonant sound. This J, job, J, consonant. So, because J or J is a consonant, we have to place A before A over here. That is, Anu is looking for a job. Third one, could you close dash door please? Over here, could you close the door? Okay, it is the. That is because we are specifically asking or saying to close a particular door which is open. Since we are talking specifically about the door which is open or to be shut, we have to use the over here. So, could you close the door please? Which means it is understood that they are asking one must close the door which is open. Next one, Anil is dash optician. Over here, what do you think will fit in this? That is an. That is because we have vowel over here. So we have to place an before vowel or vowel sound. Optician. So o, that is o sound, that is vowel sound. As we all know, there are 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u. These are the 5 vowel, and we have to place an before vowel or a vowel sound. Next we have Dr. Shankar is dash dentist. So it is very simple and easy. I hope you all got the answer. Yes, that is a dentist. That is because D is a consonant. Since dentist, D is a consonant, we have to use a. Okay. Okay. The 6th question is, my friend is dash MLA. Okay. MLA. Over here, what do you think will suit in this blank? Maybe some of you might have guessed it correctly. So that is an MLA. You might wonder, M is not a vowel, right? So M is an M is a consonant. Though M is a consonant, you might ask me or you might wonder why I have written an in the blank. That is because M, how do you pronounce M? That is E, M, M, okay. So we don't say M, la, A. We don't say that. We say it as M, L, A. We don't say M, L, A, right? That is M. So A is a vowel sound, right? So since A is a vowel sound, this is A sound, A, okay? M, A sound. Since it is vowel sound, we have to use an in the blank. Next one, Raju is in dash class. So here we are specifying where Raju is. That is, Raju is in the class. Okay, we are specifying where Raju is. Next one, have you ever visited dash Andaman Islands? Over here, as we all know that we have already learned the rules to use the or a definite articles. Since Andaman is an island, so we have to use the before the name of island. So that's the reason it is, have you ever visited the Andaman Islands? Next, please bring dash kilogram of apples. Over here, what do you think will fit? Over here it is a kilogram. A denotes 1. Okay, please bring a kilogram, 1 kilogram of apples. Okay, last one we have Mara did not have any teeth on dash right side of his mouth. So here we are specifying that Mara, one of the characters, that is Mara, it doesn't have teeth right side. We are specifying which side, that is right side. Since we are specifying, we have to write or we have to use the, that is definite article. So Mara did not have any teeth on the right side of his mouth. Which side? That is right side of his mouth. So I hope I made it clear. So these are the first exercise in your articulation. So first concept is articles. In that we have solved the first main of our articulation. So let us move on to the next. Okay students, so this is another variety. So this is one of the varieties of the question commonly asked. Okay. Usually in the examination point of view, you can expect this kind of question. Okay, so where they will give you a passage and with lots of spaces or dashes, you have to fill in appropriate articles. So let us solve one of the questions now. Dash old pilgrim. So over here, old. So O. Since O is a vowel, we have to use an. Okay. An old pilgrim was making his way to dash Himalayan mountains. So we have only one Himalayan mountain. So we are specifically talking about the Himalayan mountain, that is one Himalayan mountain. So since we are talking about the nature, the one and only Himalayan mountain, we have to use the. Okay. So an old pilgrim was making his way to the Himalayan mountains in the cold of winter. When it began to rain, he went to dash inn. So what do you mean by inn? Inn is a hotel or a place where we get a accommodation. Alright, okay. So he went to an. That is because we have vowel, okay, that is I. So went to an inn, okay, and also it is a vowel sound, E, I, in. So an inn. Dash innkeeper said to him. Dash innkeeper said to him. So usually there will be one particular innkeeper, right? So we are talking about A innkeeper, one who spoke. So we are specifying, or we are particularly talking about a innkeeper who said the next or a further dialogue. Since we are specifying, it is the. The innkeeper said to him, "How will you ever get there in this kind of weather, my good man?" So like this, the innkeeper asks the old man. Dash old man. So over here, of course it is a vowel, of course it is O, and of course it is a vowel. Though it is a vowel, we have to use the definite article, that is the. So you might not agree with me because it is vowel sound. We have a rule to use definite article, that whenever we mention the same person or a thing for the second time, we have to use the. So we have already used old pilgrim. So since we have already introduced an old man over here, we have to use the over here because we are referring to the same old man again. Since we are referring to the same old man or a old pilgrim over here again, we have to use the. The old man answered cheerfully. So he answers cheerfully, "My heart got there first. So it's easy for dash rest of me to follow." So here he says, "My heart got there first. So it's easy for the rest of me." Specifically he is talking. So he says that it's easy for the rest of me to follow. Okay. I hope this is clear. I made it clear over here. Yeah. So as I've told you already, in the examination point of view, you will be asked this kind of question where they will give you a passage plus a blanks where you have to fill the appropriate articles. Let us solve one more question, the similar kind of question from the previous year or the old question papers. Okay, so we have one more set of questions over here. So these are the questions taken from one of the old question papers. So we'll solve this question now. This is dash story. So this is, what do you think we have to fill in here? This is the story. Okay. Of course, it is the reason why we have used the is we are talking particularly about the story. Okay. So since we are particularly or we are referring to a particular story, we have to use the. Okay. So this is the story of dash unusual. So over here unusual. So here we have to use an. That is because we have vowel. So we have vowel and vowel sound, that is a. That is U sound, a. Unusual medicinal creeper. A coffee seat bed has to be protected from dash. So here we have to use the because we are referring to the sun. So how many suns do we have? We have only one sun, right? And since it is unique in the nature, we have to use the sun by putting up dash shade over it. So over here it is a shade. That is because S is a consonant. A shade over it. So we will move on to the third one. Once upon a time dash elephant. Over here we have to use an. That is because E is a vowel sound. A, elephant, A. It's a vowel sound. Since it is a vowel sound, we have to use an. Once upon a time, an elephant made a friendship with dash man. Okay, over here, a man. Again, man refers to one, and also it is a consonant sound, that is m, man, man. Okay. One day dash heavy thunderstorm broke out. One day a heavy thunderstorm broke out dash elephant went to his friend man. So here we have to use the because we are referring the elephant for the second time. So here for the first time we have used it, and since we are using elephant for the second time we have to use the. Okay, so these are few examples taken from the previous year question papers. I hope you have understood the concept articles. So once again I will just so there are two kinds of articles, that is definite article and indefinite article. Definite article, which means we refer to a specific person or a thing. So when we refer to a specific person or a thing, we have to use definite article, that is the. Indefinite articles where we do not refer to any specific person or a thing. So we have two indefinite articles, a or an. So we use a before consonant sound and before vowel and vowel sound, whereas the we can use it. So we use it when we refer to the person for the second time. So we have to use the. Okay, when we refer or when we talk about the same person or a thing for the second time, we have to use the. And also we have to use the when we refer or talk about something that is only one. Okay, something like only one, normal one and a obvious one. So we have to use the before these. And also there are many more rules which I have taught in my previous video. So those who want to know more about this or those who want to learn more about this can refer to my previous video and you can solve this. Okay students, I have few questions. So please write down the question and write the answer and send it to us via WhatsApp. Fill in the blanks with appropriate a, an or the. Okay, the first question is, he loves playing dash guitar. Repeat, he loves playing dash guitar. The second question is there dash M in your name? Third question is, I have dash important information for you. Fourth question, Ria wants dash hour off. He is dash European boy. And the last question is, Mumbai is dash busy city. I repeat, Mumbai is dash busy city. So these are the questions which you need to answer and send it via WhatsApp group. Apart from this, there are also few exercises left in your articulation. Okay, I have solved only 2 mains. So there are 2 more mains remaining. So I expect you to answer those questions. Take a picture of the answer and send it to a WhatsApp group. Okay. So apart from the questions which I mentioned, there are also few questions in articulation. First year articulation, we have learnt about articles, the types of articles and the usage of articles and where to omit articles, as well as we have solved some of the questions also. I hope you have understood. Thank you.